everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I finally got my February Latest in Beauty box. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Irina. Latest in Beauty is the only subscription box that I regularly get. Other subscription boxes I may, or beauty subscription boxes I may dip in and out throughout the year, but Latest in Beauty is the one that I keep and that I want to get every single month. You will notice there are timestamps on the bar, on the play bar, so you can skip ahead to the portions that you are interested in. So if you are not new to Latest in Beauty, you may want to skip ahead to the next portion. But if you are new to Latest in Beauty, then you might want to hear a little bit about what Latest in Beauty is. So the way I normally do my unboxings is that I give a little bit of information just to tell you what Latest in Beauty is. Then I go through my previous month's box and kind of like give a little quick review of the items and then go into the unboxing itself. So with Latest in Beauty you can pick your own items. That's what makes it so different, and that's why I want it every single month, because I pick my own items. I know for sure that there are things in there that I want to try, I want to use, I want to give as gifts, whatever reason I have for picking those items, I know that they will be used in one way or another. The subscription costs £12.95 plus postage and packaging. You pick 6 items. The size of the items will vary. You do have to click on each item to see their sizes, but they do have quite a few full sizes. There will be some sample sizes and some travel sizes, but when you go on the beauty counter and you click on the items, it will give you the size, it will give you ingredients, what the product does, reviews if there are any reviews, so you can make kind of like an informed decision. It's basically like shopping. And if you want to see everything that's coming up in advance in a month, you should check out Latest in Beauty's social media channels, because they do updates on there and they do lives. I'm not sure whether they still do their lives on Facebook, but they definitely do lives on Instagram. And they have one main product, which is the Hall of Fame, and this one is available all month long, and they're supposed to have enough quantities for all subscribers and new subscribers, and it's supposed to be a more premium product. And then they have 5 items dropping on the counter each Monday of the month. To make most of your subscription, I would say sign up around mid-month. I think that's the best way, because if there are things from, let's say, well, when you're seeing this will be March, so let's say there are things in March that you don't want, you still have time in April to make different picks. And in order to make your billing day mid-month, you have to sign up mid-month. So the day that you sign up becomes your billing day. When you first sign up, you have to make your picks straight away, but then the month after, you have the whole calendaristic month to make your picks. So I hope that's clear enough. If it isn't, just ask me questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer with what I know. There will also be a referral code in the description box if it's your first time trying Latest in Beauty and you want to get a little discount on your first box. I have that referral code there. Okay, so I'm going to put pictures here of everything that I had in January. So first I had the Batiste Overnight Dry Shampoo. This one was a repurchase because I also picked it in December and I really do enjoy it, and I will buy it from the supermarket when my second bottle runs out. Then I had a brow coat from the Lip Coat company. This is just a clear brow gel and it's quite strong hold. It's not the strongest hold ever. I have recently tried a brow gel that's like super strong hold. It's not as strong as that one, but it is more than enough for day to day, so I am quite enjoying the brow coat. And I had a Zero Ageless Gel Mask, which is a hydrating mask, and I liked the fact that you can also use it as an overnight sleep mask. I have used it 3 times, I would say, so it's not enough to say if it actually has an effect on my skin, but I didn't have any issues with it, so you know, at least that's that. And I have used it once as an overnight sleep mask. I think it might be a little bit heavy for my skin to do that, but I will use it just as a regular mask. Then I had a low-key face covering. Really enjoyed this one. I received compliments for it. Right, then I had the Halo Hydration electrolyte drink mix. I think I have a couple left. I haven't used all of them up. They do work to give you like that boost of hydration when you feel like you're really thirsty and parched. But they are quite pricey. They're £10 for 6. Oof. I don't think I will repurchase for that reason. And then the last thing in there was a little something for my daughter, which is the Menacos Orange Lip Balm, and she does enjoy it and she uses it. So. Okay, so now this is what I picked in February. This box has arrived late February because I did my picks a little bit later in the month. My billing date is on the 8th, so if there are some products that I'm looking forward to from drops that are after my billing date, then I can just wait a little bit, and this is what I've done this time. So it is obviously a different day. What I've done was that I have paused the video while I was doing the actual unboxing and then never unpaused it. But I continued as though I was filming. So I only realized when I went to edit that I'm actually missing half the video. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do the unboxing now. That's a quick overview of the things. So I'm going to start with the Hall of Fame, which is the Philip Kingsley Maximizer. This is a volumizing spray, but it's also supposed to be good for frizz and for protecting hair against sun damage. I think that's what they said on their live when they showed this. It is heat activated. I don't use heat that much to dry my hair, but I do it now and again, so I do want to try it for those moments. Then still for hair, I got this No Not Co scalp brush. This was obviously in like a plastic packaging, but I had removed the plastic packaging since I filmed the video the first time. So No Not Co is a woman and black owned brand, so very exciting to see it in latest in beauty lineup, and I'm very intrigued by this brush. The brand is supposed to cater for curly and afro hair, but this brush is supposed to be good for, you know, massaging the scalp and also good for dandruff and things like that. So I think this would be good for me as well. So yeah, I'm very excited to use this. Then I picked some skincare items. I picked these two moisturizers from Save, the Rejuvenating Moisturizer and the Ultra Light Moisturizer. The Rejuvenating one, I think it's gone at the minute from the counter. I had this one before and I really enjoyed it. So I was thinking I would use the Rejuvenating Moisturizer in the evening and then the Ultra Light one in the morning. I'm still going through some moisturizers, so that's the Rejuvenating one. I have one waiting to be used for in the evening, and then I think this one will be for my day moisturizer once I finish the one that I'm using currently. But because of that, like little reviews on these items won't be next time. And that's the ultralight moisturizer. They both look the same, they just have like slightly different consistency to them. So yeah, I won't be able to give you reviews on them next time when I do my next unboxing, but I do have experience with Rejuvenating Moisturizer and I really liked it. It really suits my skin. And there's a little sample in here. And the Ultralight Moisturizer, we have a sample of the Rejuvenating Moisturizer, and then in the Rejuvenating Moisturizer we have a sample of the Rejuvenating Moisturizer. I didn't say that wrong, that's actually the sample of the same moisturizer. A little bit more skincare. I have picked a new Renewal Power Serum from Avon. This is a trial size. That's the low size there. I had this one before. Actually, I had samples of it before because I do Avon hauls. I do like a little bit of Avon, and I have really enjoyed this one. It gives the skin a very nice glow and is supposed to be very good, have very good anti-aging properties as well. So yes, I know that I enjoyed this one, so I was quite excited to see it on the beauty counter. And because I picked this one, I also got a sample of the new lifting dual eye system. This is the newest formula, which includes protinol like this one does. I am currently using up their old formula of the dual eye system. Again, I have quite a few samples of these to use once that eye cream is finished. And also there was this little leaflet in the box just saying what the serum is all about and how to use it and then a little bit of information about the eye cream. And then there was another thing in the box from a discount code from No Nut Co, which you can see there. You use code LATESTBEAUTY for 20% discount. So that's really good. And the last thing I picked is from Sassy Shop Wax White Linen Wax Melt. And this smells so nice, very fresh. And I will show you the back of this. Oops. It's got little hearts, looks so nice. So another thing I'm very excited to use. And the Latest in Beauty put some freebies in here. Sometimes I do put freebies in for members. So first freebie is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, which is kind of like the third time running that I put this freebie in. I don't mind it because I give them to my fiance. He's got very dry skin, so these are really good for him. And then the second freebie is from Nuxe, the Nuxuriance Gold Nutri Fortifying Oil Cream. And although this one is supposed to be for dry skin, I think I will keep it for myself. I don't think he will enjoy the scent anyway, but I love Nuxe. Okay, so this is my selection for February. You are seeing this in March because I have picked late. I was waiting for this to drop on the counter to make my pick. So it arrived late February. By the time I film and upload and everything, yeah, it's March. I am very happy with my box. If you also get Latest in Beauty, let me know what you think. Let me know what you picked as well. I'm quite excited about March as well. I think I will have another good box in March as well. So yeah, that's it from me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. If you want to see what I think of these items next time, or obviously I already said you the moisturizers won't be in next time, but I do try to give reviews of what I've used in my next month's unboxing. So if you like to see that, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!